The 2025 Ford Mustang has taken the automotive world by storm, with a host of exciting features that are designed to impress both driving enthusiasts and everyday car buyers alike. From its striking design to its advanced technology, the 2025 model continues the Mustang legacy while pushing the envelope in terms of performance, comfort, and innovation. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2025 Ford Mustang is its updated exterior design. The new front end features a more aggressive grille, sharper lines, and a sleeker profile, giving the car a more athletic and modern appearance. The redesigned body of the Mustang is complemented by a wider stance, improving its road presence. The vehicle's rear end also features new tail lights and a revamped diffuser, further enhancing its dynamic look. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Mustang is powered by a range of potent engine options. For those looking for pure performance, the high-performance variants are equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers impressive power and torque. However, for enthusiasts who crave the raw muscle car experience, Ford continues to offer a naturally aspirated V8 engine, which ensures the Mustang retains its legendary power and performance on the open road. With improved handling and performance tuning, the new Mustang provides a thrilling driving experience that will satisfy both casual drivers and seasoned car aficionados. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mustang offers an array of tech-savvy features that keep it ahead of the curve. The interior is highlighted by an intuitive digital cockpit that includes a customizable digital gauge cluster and an expansive infotainment screen, making it easy for drivers to access essential features without distraction. The Mustang also boasts an upgraded sound system that enhances the in-car audio experience, offering a concert-like quality to every ride. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Mustang seats are designed to provide excellent support during both long drives and spirited driving sessions, with premium materials used throughout the cabin. Ford has made significant strides in enhancing the Mustang's safety and driver assistance features. The 2025 model comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These features not only improve overall safety but also make driving the Mustang more enjoyable and less stressful, particularly in busy urban environments. The vehicle also offers a range of customizable drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor the performance characteristics to suit their preferences, whether they're cruising on the highway or pushing the limits on a twisty backroad. The 2025 Ford Mustang's performance and technology are complemented by its impressive array of customization options. Ford offers a variety of exterior color choices, wheel designs, and interior trims to ensure every Mustang can be tailored to a buyer's specific tastes. Additionally, performance enthusiasts will appreciate the availability of performance packages that include upgraded suspension components, larger brakes, and sportier exhaust systems, allowing them to further enhance their driving experience. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Ford Mustang delivers a more balanced approach, offering better fuel economy than previous models without compromising on power. This makes the Mustang not only a thrilling vehicle to drive but also a more practical option for daily use. Whether you're commuting to work or taking it for a weekend adventure, the Mustang delivers a great balance of performance and efficiency. In conclusion,